Okay, so this right here is the GTX 780 Ti that a friend of mine recently gave to me. Well, not recently, but it's been quite a while now. And I've been using it in my personal system, and it runs great. It performs around the same or better than AMD's RX 580 and 570 graphics cards, which are fairly old by now. But anyways, it's out of my system right now because last week as I was editing the Ryzen, why you shouldn't buy Ryzen 3rd gen video, which I'll hopefully be able to put up here. But while I was editing that, my system just started crashing. The monitor blacked out first, but then started crashing. And I was actually kind of lucky to get that video finished. But I troubleshooted, I changed the drivers, I tried different operating systems, I tried Windows 8. And I eventually reinstalled Windows 10 altogether, but nothing changed. And at the end, the card artifacted, and that wasn't just in the OS. Like whenever you turn on the system on the BIOS splash screen, it would show blue artifacts all over the place. So this card is basically toast. There is a little chip in the corner of the GPU itself, which I'm not going to take apart right now, but really minimal. It's been there for a while because I've been doing some pretty heavy gaming on this. I wouldn't say heavy, but I've been using this to its full potential. It's a pretty powerful graphics card still today. But yeah, this card is basically dead, which is unfortunate because the X79 system that I have, the Xeon inside, there's no like Intel integrated graphics, so I can't really use that system right now. So a friend of mine actually gave me this EVGA GeForce GTX 460. It even came with a box. And I was just going to use this as a temporary card. It's nothing special, but it'll perform about the same as my integrated graphics of my 2020G system. But unfortunately, this one seems to be on its way out too. I first installed the card in my system just to test it out, see if I could get everything running, and it was stable, it seemed. But whenever I tried to run any type of game, like really easy games like Fortnite and Rocket League, which this card is capable of running at a low to medium settings, it kind of gave some graphical errors and basically crashed the system where the game would just close and give an error message. So I decided to clean off, the who knows 10-year-old thermal paste and dust, and it's all clean now. Whenever I reinstalled it, the card became a little bit more unstable if it wasn't before. Maybe the drivers needed the system to be restarted, but it turns out that there's a little bit of damage on the card itself. You can see there some capacitors and other crucial components are kind of messed up. So this card technically does work, but it's not stable enough to make sense. Yeah, this fan blade's actually pretty fragile if you ask me because I broke one off whenever I was reassembling. The shroud itself actually had some plastic mounting hardware break off, but I just glued that together. So for now, my system's kind of out of order. The 780 Ti, it's not something that's really fixable. I mean, you can like heat it up like in an oven or something, and that sometimes can bring it back to life. But for the most part, that's temporary, and I don't really have something that I want to use that for. So I do plan on hunting for a new graphics card, maybe a RX 470 or 570. But for now, this video isn't going to be edited or anything because I'm recording my phone, and I would install a Ryzen system, which is my dad's now, but that's not really practical. It's already registered on my computer, so I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update video. But anyways, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. While you're there, consider subscribing to the channel and enable notifications for more quality tech videos. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.